Play now. Just stay here. Okay, arrange this game well. See, make una know they scatter games here.
Every time, you know they play well, they play left, you know they play right.
Okay, play.
Play this man. I don't know where you come from.
General
market is for everybody. Play. Now your turn to play. Make una know they waste time for this game. Where would they play like this? No time. I won't go where they do fish, and I don't order them. Wait now, you don't go market now. Wait they do. Give me star. That's fine. That's fine. Play now. Muna know they waste time. I don't tell you this thing. Put this game well. I don't know what thing they do with this man. Yerafia. Oski, hold up. Play.
Yeah, play.
Okay. I get them 5.
They go off key.
Cross last card, check.
Wait.
You want to this guy they carry money.
Baba, you get wetin I wan ask you. He carry juju come for this game.
He bless you.
Wetin happen last year?
Wait.
Wetin happen last year? No go happen this year for my life. You know how much I don do?
How you go pack all this money?
I carry come this game.
What
You carry juju come.
I
just win now. We win this. That's all they do. Raise your leg.
Guy talk in
Wait,
the
hide
game.
Oga, I hide them somewhere.
I go plus you for the year now. Wetin dey worry you now? You dey mad? See what you do. Move back, you dey mad. I go enter you now. Come on.
No, we dey play game. He carry out come meet us.
Wait.
For this background, for this ghetto. Oga give our money.
See this guy here. Wait though.
You don't.
Well, having looked at your daughter's eye results, in line with the eye examination, it is obvious that your daughter has glaucoma.
Glaucoma?
Yes, and if nothing is done about it, I'm afraid she'll go blind.
Hey!
Doctor, is there any way you can help?
Yes.
Of course.
Hey! You see why I said I will not come to this place in the first place? Have you seen it? Doctor, nothing will happen to my daughter. Eh? I have some men who call themselves my kinsmen. Their duty in my family is to kill aside. They successfully killed my first son. Now they are squatting playfully, targeting to kill my daughter, but I will not give them time to do that. I will never give them time.
Mr. Chima, come on. There's nothing like the Holy case in your daughter's case.
Doctor, say the one you know. So you want to tell me that you don't know about Nduke and Ndamotu? I have 2 of them in my family. They are just after my daughter. And their duty is to kill aside. Let's go. Let me not get home before you.
Mr. Chima, take it easy, please.
I'm not taking it easy.
Doctor, talk to him.
I will talk to him. You said it's only surgery that can be done to
and very fast.
Situation.
Very fast.
I will talk to my husband.
Just take it easy, okay?
Time.
there is no just anyhow I am going to allow Anna to go through that surgery. I don't want to allow it to happen. Not in my own time.
Nai, would you rather she goes completely blind? Why don't you reason from the side of the doctor?
I don't want to reason to any side of the doctor over my daughter's health. I don't want to reason with the doctor.
Why? I ask you again, why?
Oh,
Nai?
you don't know? You don't know that Ikenna, my brother, is a wizard. He's practicing wizardry. Eh? I don't want anybody to come to my house for any kind of condolence visit. The moment Hannah moves in for the surgery, the next thing you will see is Ikenna striking. And then people will start coming for condolence visit. It's not in my house. It will not happen. Oh, you see, you are not seeing all these things that I'm seeing.
No, this is not making sense to me at all.
Oh, it's not making sense.
Why do you choose to reason that way?
Okay, it's not making sense. Whether what you're saying, what I'm saying is making sense to you or not, she is not going to go for any kind of surgery. My word is final.
No, rethink, please.
You rethink. You have to rethink.
You have to rethink.
You have to rethink to see some dialogue. Stop, let me talk.
It is our daughter. Eh? It is our daughter we are talking about here.
It's my daughter's life I'm talking about. My Ikenna.
Nah, you have to rethink.
The fear of Ikenna is the beginning of wisdom if you don't know.
Eh?
Yes.
Nah. Hey.
Guy, you see this guy wey dey call Felix? Wetin I go do am before I go comot for this school? Wetin I go do am? You go clear am.
Leave that guy na just akamuke.
I no go fit leave am na.
I
no go fit leave am. All the teacher for the school dey like the guy. I no understand.
We go handle the case.
The worst part now be say
down.
the girlfriend why the guy don collect am. See the Anna, come here.
See this one. I tell me you come me, they weigh me like even they call you sef. Shift to come like this.
See eyeglass. Are you okay?
Wait, now all she has any problem. Miss Google. Miss Google.
Are you okay? Miss Eyeglass, are you okay?
See your face like.
What is happening? What is happening? Hey? What is happening here? I am asking you what is happening here?
What do you see now? Nothing happened now. We are just joking.
Sir, we are just joking with your daughter.
You are joking with my daughter?
We are just joking with her.
We are not serious. It's just the four eyes.
You are joking with my daughter?
We are just joking with her.
Which one?
Sir, it's just the four eyes glasses that we are just joking.
Don't try this. Don't try it next time. Listen, any day you hear about Chimama Mazi, run. Ask about me in this community. When next I see you around my daughter, talk more of joking with her.
Sir, around your goggle daughter. Your goggle daughter.
Eyeglass, where is my mother too?
Man, look at this one like a pure Romando. Look at how tall you are. You cannot shape your size. Anofia, you are talking about ice glass. Do you know what ice glass is all about? Can you mention what ice glass is? Can you spell ice glass? Well, let's go home. Let's go. Let me see those idiots. Again. And his cohorts will continue to fail in their evil plans against my family. Ikenna and his evil gangs, they will not succeed. They will not succeed.
Yes, Mama, I'm in Lagos.
Your father is here.
Okay, let me speak with him.
He's here. Nah. Our daughter.
Hi, Anna, how are you?
My sweet father.
Hey, my sweet daughter. So how is London and Queen Eliza?
She's in Nigeria.
Oh, you mean you are in Nigeria right now?
Yes, that's what she said.
Yes, I'm in Nigeria. Currently in Lagos.
Hey, we cannot wait to see you.
I haven't really settled down, but as soon as I do that, I'll be coming back to see you.
Gaba.
Alright. Alright, bye. Love you. Okay, mommy, take care of yourself, okay? Bye.
She's in Nigeria.
Eh,
But
she's not coming back today. She said when she finished work there.
Is that what she said?
She's doing something.
Hey, what you have to prepare whatever you are.
Of course I will.
I'm not fine. The doctor said I might be having glaucoma. Yes, I know, but he said mine is hereditary. Yes, ma. I don't know how my mother is going to take this. I'm worried about her. The past seems like yesterday.
Ma, the doctor said I might be having glaucoma.
Glaucoma? Aren't you too young for that?
They say that my own is hereditary. I don't know.
Hereditary? Yes. And they gave you glasses to manage it for now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. Hannah, I am happy to have you back in the school. Okay?
Thank you, ma.
But I want you to do one thing for me. Ignore whoever that does anything to upset you.
Okay, ma.
Do you hear me?
Okay, ma. I will try my best, ma.
Good. And I have good news for you.
Really?
Yes. Okay. The school has enlisted you as one of the 5 most brilliant students to join the examination for United Nations Scholarship Scheme.
Wow! Yes! Jesus, are you serious?
I am serious.
Jesus, my mom will be very, very happy to hear this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Wow. You're welcome. You know you deserve the best. You know
Jesus,
that,
I'm so happy.
You know that.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. And another thing, if you write the exam and pass, the scholarship will be taking care of your remaining school years in this secondary school and cover all your university levels.
Jesus, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. God bless.
Okay. I run along, okay? Be a good girl.
Okay, ma.
Bye.
But wait, who did you say the other 4 people were?
Honey, I don't know. I have no idea.
How can you say you don't know? But you said she called you to her office to tell you this.
Yeah. She first talked about Peter and Carl, who was busy laughing at me at class today, making fun of me.
Serious?
I'm serious. And after that, when she finished, she talked about scholarship. But I thought she just said that to cheer me up. I don't know.
Who cares about cheering up or not? God, I mean, you have all your expenses paid up front. Hey, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey.
Juliet. Me. And I'm ashamed of you.
Ashamed of me for what?
Aren't you ashamed?
For what exactly?
They give this witch scholarship and you are here being proud of her. Is she proud of you as her friend? Okay, let me ask you. Are you even proud of yourself? Anyways, why will you be proud of yourself when you don't know anything?
See, Esther, I don't know the issue you have with Anna, but please, I want to beg you, keep me out of this. Keep my name out of your lip.
This is coming from the fact that you are so stupid and blind to see that this witch here keeps opportunities and privileges for people like you and I. And when she does that, people like you are always proud of her. Stupid girl, you are very foolish.
Esther, let this be the first and the last time you will ever say this kind of thing to me. Did you hear me? Anna, let's go.
And what will you do? What will you do?
I don't have your time.
Useless girl. Keep being stupid. Rubbish.
Exactly the noise all about.
Like you won't believe it. Hannah's name has been shortlisted for scholarship, and it will end up taking her to America to study.
Hey!
Holy sir!
Is it true?
Yes, Papa.
Chideke. Hey! 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 Scholarship!
Yes, Papa. Are you not happy for me?
No, I am happy for you. It's just that I am beginning to miss you. As long as this scholarship thing will last, I am missing her already.
It will last. Don't worry, Papa. You don't need to bother. Just don't worry yourself. Every school fees, everything. Like, they have paid everything to my university, so you don't need to bother.
Hey! Have you seen it? Your school fees has been paid?
Everything.
Hey!
I'm so happy.
I'm not going to pay anything.
Look at me. I've made it. I'm now a doctor. The evil ones in my village that wanted to put themselves in shame, not me, have been disgraced by God. Everyone addresses me as Miss Dr. Hannah China. My parents are happy and excited. Oh, he was a good man. It's been long since I saw him. I'm sure I will see him someday again. Life is beautiful when you see your dreams come true. You feel fulfilled, elated. Thank you, God.
What am I doing? Felix, what are you doing? When did you become a thief? Hi. What have I done? What nonsense is this? That woman will be searching for me everywhere now. Hi. I hope no one followed me here. I have to stop this nonsense. Who are you and what do you want?
Don't you remember me? My name is Uju. You carried my luggage some days ago.
So what do you want? Why are you here?
I saw you run into this place and I was worried. I just wanted to find out, are you in some kind of trouble?
Trouble? No. I'm okay. Please, did anyone see you enter here?
No. Why did you ask?
Nothing, I'm just asking.
So, what's your name?
What?
Your name.
My name is Felix.
What?
Felix.
Felix?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, what are you doing here?
I actually came to see the engineer handling this project. Before I got here, he had already left.
This project?
Yes.
Since when?
Huh?
I mean, this project, since when?
I started it a few years ago.
Oh, a few years ago.
Yes.
I thought as much. Anyway, I have to take my leave.
All right.
Be good.
Bye.
saw him entering this house. Yes, and somebody must be around here.
Please, go in and search for him before he gets away with my goods.
Alright, let's go.
Go and search for him.
Searching. Hey! Come. Do you see anything? This will be the woman back. Yes, that means that hardened criminal must be around here. So we need to search other places. Let's go. Wait. I think I had a sound.
Thank God I left the building before they entered. God, please forgive me. I'll never do this again. My parents are responsible for my behavior.
You must give me today. You must give me money for feeding.
If I kill you, nobody will stop me.
You must give me money for feeding.
If I kill you, nobody will stop me.
You don't have money, Abi. But you brought another woman into this house. You must give me money for feeding today.
So that's your problem?
Yes, you will not leave this place.
It is my life. It is my choice. I will carry them as many as I want.
You're not going anywhere.
The other things the other women are doing.
Useless man, that's what you are. You're not even.
You two should stop this right now. Are you mad? If you dare shout at me again, stupid boy.
You cannot do anything. Touch him, let me see you.
Stupid boy. If I call any woman, is it your business?
Is that what you are telling me?
Yes.
Is that what you are telling me?
Yes.
Don't mind this useless man.
You do this every time. Papa, why?
Don't mind this useless man that called himself your father. He brought another woman into this house.
You're asking me why? Yes, I brought another woman because you cannot give me the way she's giving me. Is it your business?
Patrick.
If I like, I bring white, black, small, big, tall, fat, thin. It's my life, it's my choice.
Papa, but why do you keep doing this now? Why do you keep doing this now?
You want to beat my son? You give me today.
Reason my mother. Reason my mother. Not the only prayer.
It's all about choice, yeah.
Reason my mother. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my mother. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Reason my mother. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my mother. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Oh. Oh. Trouble in my heart. I dey worry if I go survive through the night. Things don't wash time. It be me like say make I just give up on this life. Oh, nobody would understand what I've been going through. This life hasn't been fair to me. One problem to another. Ikabugo more. Give me a reason to smile again. If not 1 minute, make I happy. I am down on my knees, I beg you please. Reason my mother. matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. And the only prayer waiting from my mouth. Oh, oh. Trouble in my heart. I dey worry if I go survive through the night. Things don't wash die. It be me like say make I just give up on this life. Oh, nobody would understand what I've been going through. This life hasn't been fair to me. One problem to another. Ika go more. Give me a reason to smile again. If not 1 minute, make I happy. I am down on my knees, I'm begging you please. Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer waiting from my mouth.
Phyllis, you mean this happens every other day?
Yes, it happens every single day. It happens every single day and I'm tired. See, I feel like running away.
Run away? Yes. To where?
I don't know. I don't know, but I feel like running away.
Felix, you need to listen to me and listen attentively. You wouldn't need to do anything funny. Everything is going to be fine. But, were they always this way?
No, it's just that my father just keeps changing for the worst. And I don't like it. I don't like it.
Come. Everything will be fine. Okay? Everything is going to be fine. You can go home.
Well, I guess she's right. We all have our own unique issues.
It's just a matter of time and everything will be okay. You know, I have waited to be an eye surgeon and now the doctor is saying that I'll be battling with one of the most wrecking eye defects, like glaucoma. And how on earth am I supposed to be a good and successful surgeon with my own eyes closed with glaucoma?
Like, seriously? But you said you were advised to undergo a surgery if it is needed.
Over my dead body, God forbid. I'll never undergo anything in life, never.
But why? Isn't that what you're going to be doing for other people for the rest of your life?
Listen, I belong to one of the most diabolic family ever. That surgery might be one of that once opportunity they have ever waited for.
Does this have anything to do with your fear for extended uncles and auntie?
Listen, you won't understand. Those people don't love me and my family. They don't.
What if you're just being afraid for something which is not there actually?
Even my father knows about everything. They are responsible for everything.
So wait, are you saying your father told you that the eye problem was caused by all this?
Juliet, they are responsible for it. And they are patiently waiting for the day I'll be going for the operation.
What will happen?
And they will take off my eyes. And all the dreams of being an ophthalmologist will be defeated. Never. It can't happen. Never.
Get out of my way! You're not going anywhere. Get out of my way! You will kill me today. You're not going anywhere. Get out of my way! Patrick, you're not going anywhere. Get out of my way! I refuse. You're not going anywhere. Get out of my way! You're not going anywhere. Come on, Pat. Let me see you. Papa. You're not going anywhere. Get out of my way! Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
not going anywhere.
Come here, sir. I'll push you the same way now.
Patrick,
I'll push you the same way. Come on.
Patrick, don't injure me. Patrick!
Get out of my way, son. Get out of my way.
Patrick, you pushed my son. You must kill me, Patrick. Patrick, you're not.
If I kill you, no, your people will not come here. They will not do anything.
All the whole neighbors must hear our voice today. Patrick, you are not going. Let me see. Okay. Patrick, come and kill me. Patrick, kill me. Patrick, kill me today. Patrick, you must kill me. Patrick, you must kill me. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Patrick, come on, let me see you. Patrick, you are not going anywhere today. It's me and you. Patrick, it's me and you. Ah! Hey! Obolamo! Obolamo! Hey! Hey! Obolamo! Patrick, leave me alone, no! Patrick, leave me alone, no! Oh! Patrick, you must kill me! Patrick, you must kill me today! Patrick, you must kill me! Oh! Hey! Hey! Wow! Obolamo! Hey! My eyes! My eyes! Patrick! Patrick! Patrick, you must come here! Patrick, you must kill me today! Patrick, you must kill me! You must kill me!
Reason my matter. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer.
It's all about choice, yeah.
Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Oh. Oh. Trouble in my heart. I dey worry if I go survive through the night. Things don't wash die. It be me like say make I just give up on this life. Oh, nobody would understand what I've been going through. This life hasn't been fair to me. One problem to another. Ikabu go more. Give me a reason to smile again. If not 1 minute, make I happy. I am down on my knees, I beg you please. Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Oh. Oh. Trouble in my heart. I dey worry if I go survive through the night. Things don't wash die. It be me like say make I just give up on this life. Oh, nobody would understand what I've been going through. This life hasn't been fair to me. One problem to another. Ikabu go more. Give me a reason to smile again. If not 1 minute, make I happy. I am down on my knees, I beg you please. Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter. Not the only prayer. Wait from my mouth. Reason my matter. Reason my life, my Jehovah, my God. Reason my matter.
Look at the mess I found myself in. I have no bright future. Anna is probably a medical doctor by now. No, I am not a thief. I cannot be. God forgive me. I used to be a good boy.
What is it?
Another bad dream. The same Ikenna. This time around, he wants to kill my daughter Hannah.
Why do you keep having the same dream all the time?
It is because Ikenna is evil.
Hey.
He is planning evil against my family. But this time I will not give him time to succeed. You don't know what that Antichrist is capable of doing. That Ikenna is an Antichrist.
Hey.
Otherwise, why do I keep having the same dream of where he's trying to harm my daughter, Hannah? Why?
Nah, nothing will happen to our daughter. Huh?
I want to think.
Believe me, nothing will happen to Anna. Nothing will happen to her.
Who do I go to? Do I go to the catechist or Reverend Father?
Which father? Eh? Which catechist? Go and sleep.
Phil, I had almost the same dream last night. This time around I was the target. He nearly killed me.
Why do you keep having the same dream all the time?
It is a proof that my accusations are true.
Now we are talking about dream here. Eh?
This is not an ordinary dream. Today, I must do something.
Where is he going? Where is he going? 9. 9. Nine, where are you going to? 9. 9. Where are you going to? 9. 9. 9. 9. My husband! Hey. What is all this? Hey.
Ikenna! So you are now retired from hurting my daughter? So you are now retired of hurting my daughter? Now I am your target. I am warning you for the last time. Leave me and my daughter alone. Leave me and my daughter alone.
Chima!
Ikenna, I'm warning you.
Chima! Are you threatening me with machetes?
Oh, so you don't know that I'm aware that you are the head, a grandmaster of occult and that of Amosu Kingdom. Did you think I don't know?
Chima!
Chima!
Chima! You will come to Umunna and explain this accusation in a bomb keta. Ikenna!
Next time I see you in my dream, oh my daughter, I will kill you.
Chima! Chima! Umunna, you get it? Yes! Yes! Chima! You are threatening me, Shima.
You are a witch. You are a Amosu.
Chima. Chima.
Ibazo, say what you want to say. I'm hearing you.
Thank you. This is not the first time you have been accusing your brother of being a wizard, wanting to kill your family members. Let me warn you for the last time. You should stop the allegation. Else
what, Ibazo? Else what? If not because you're my older brother, I know what I would have done to you. You think that because I kept quiet, you people killed my only son, that I'm going to keep quiet for my only daughter to go down? You are all liars. Yes.
Chima, how dare you call your brother a wizard? Have you lost your senses? Have you lost it?
Because I have lost it all. I have lost it all.
Chima! Chima! What have gotten into you? Eh? Don't we have our own problems? Eh? Have we in any way accused you of being responsible? Huh?
Chima, our brother, I want you to listen. Just last year, I lost my 2 sons. Early this year, I lost my wife. Who knows if I will be the next?
I don't care if you are going to be the next or not. I don't care whether your sons and daughters have gone down, because you are the ones furnishing your daughters and sons into your wizard occult member. You are grandmasters in Uke and Amosu, and that is what you do. You every year you keep donating.
Chima, are you standing normal? Allah Ibagogi.
All of you are wizards.
Allah Ibagoshima. Allah Ibagoshima.
How dare you?
Let that be
For this nonsense you have spoken, you will be forced to swear before Ibudu.
I am not going to swear to your secret court, that wizard court, in the name of Ibudu. It will not happen.
Let me tell you.
Yes. I will swear. Yes. Wait, let me go and swear. No.
Let us go. Leave the idiots.
Hey! You should have waited. You should have waited for my madness, 2 of you. Then I would have cut your heads down, and your head will roll like a roller coaster. Oh, you think I am here joking with you people? No, you should have waited. That's who they are.
No. What is happening? I saw your brothers running out of the compound.
Yes, because
I hope you did not make trouble with them.
I made trouble with 2 of them. They came here to accuse me. They said I will go and swear with Ibudu. They want me to come to their wizard court and swear so that they will also be taken, like they are taking their sons and daughters, and like they took my sons. I know it will not happen.
Hold on! Is that why you chased them out of the compound? With
I would have known anything.
Give me.
You don't know anything. Those people are capable of killing the whole community. Those 2 idiots. They are capable of killing the whole community. But it will not happen. I will report this matter to the Igwe. The king will hear this. The king will hear that they were here to kill me in my own house. The king will hear it. Oh, Ikwasu don't know. Ikwasu don't know that I caught him.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, Ikwasu, I said you know nothing. Hey. Oh, Ikwasu, I saw that what Ikwasu was holding. And he's targeting to be a cactus. Osibonwe. He will not be
Chima chasing off with the machete.
Chima will never go free on swamp.
Ikenna, I have not seen this kind of thing before.
Ibazu, this is a very big insult. Chima must pay for it.
In fact, you must. Come to think of it, Chima has no right to accuse you of anything.
I can never keep quiet on this. I can never.
Listen, Ikenna, we are going to summon him in next meeting where he will explain his action towards you.
He can never run out of it.
Never.
He can
never. That swearing is most swear before Ibudu. Now, listen now, Ikenna. Listen what I want to tell you. We are going to summon him in next meeting where he will explain his action towards you.
For how long am I going to continue living like this? My stepfather forced me into this type of life.
Felix, I think you should go back to the house and start school again.
God forbid. God forbid. See, I can't go back to that house and live with those people that call themselves my parents.
Why? But they are still your parents, no matter what. Eh?
I fear, if I go back to that house, I might end up becoming very wild.
Wide? Why?
You see, I watch my father every day beat up my mother. I might lose my temper and do something irreversible to him, like stabbing him to death.
God forbid. You won't do something like that, never.
Yes, that's why I'm trying as much as possible to avoid him.
But you know that this place is not safe for you. This place is not safe. It's not healthy for you.
Neither is in my house. Neither is in my house. See, I'd rather stay here than watch somebody beating my mom. My own mom.
Felix, listen, please. This place is not safe. It's not safe. Please, you need to listen to me. I'm trying to tell you something. You can't stay here, please. Please, I'm begging you, please.
Shame on you! Shame on you! Neka, shame on you! Shame!
Patrick, God will punish you. God will punish you for being a bad father to my son. It was because of you that boy left this house. Now he's nowhere to be found.
Who told you the bastard is nowhere to be found? He has gone to look. The bastard has gone to look for his father. He cannot live in my house forever. He can never.
But he always calls you as father. He always identifies you as a father. So you don't know any other person. So why are you calling him names?
And he obviously got tired of coping with the wrong identity. He has gone to look for the right identity. Leave me alone, no.
Patrick, what do you say? Patrick, what do you say, Patrick?
If you don't leave my cloth, why is
what are you going to do? You
cannot
cannot do more than a
I will blind your eye.
Yes, you cannot do anything. Real men, they don't fight women. They fight their fellow men. Go outside and fight your fellow men. Patrick.
Are you a woman?
Yes.
If you're a woman, give me a child.
Patrick.
I know where Felix is.
You know where Felix is? My son.
Yes.
Where?
At the uncompleted building.
Okay,
if you get, never know vocation. Stupid woman. Who is Felix? He should come back to this house. Let me squeeze him out. Stupid person.
Ah!
You're intelligent.
Ah!
You're intelligent. My game.
Ah! Ah! With him. Where is Felice? Felice! Where is Felice? Felice, my son. Oh, Chimebomo. Where is my son, Felice? Where is him? You say he's here, so where is him now? I don't know. Oh, Felice. Oh, God. Chimebomo. Felice, where are you? Felice. Where is Felice? Where is Felice? Oh, Felice, oh. Where is Felice? Patrick, I'm finished, oh. Patrick, I'm finished. I'm finished, oh God, I'm finished.
Impossible. I can't believe this.
So, Juliet, how did you find out about him?
I don't know. My father stumbled on him inside the bush, where he suspected that Felix must have been beaten by a group of people and left to die. So when they felt like he wasn't breathing, they threw him into the thick bush and left wild animals to feed on him.
What a wicked world. Who must have done this to Felix?
I think I know who heartlessly did this.
You do?
Hannah, tell this woman to leave here.
Felix, it's your mother.
Hannah, tell this woman to leave here.
Please calm down. Just calm down.
Doctor!
Ask her. Shouting, please.
Ask her to leave here.
It's your mother. Calm down. Please.
I'm going to kill myself. Leave here! Hannah, please do me a favor. Tell her to leave here.
Okay, I'll tell her. But calm down first. Listen to her. She needs to tell you something.
I don't want to hear anything.
Please.
I don't want to hear anything.
Please, just calm down.
Leave here!
But please, you need to leave. Please. Okay, please.
Sorry, ma. Felix, please. You need to calm down, Felix. Please. Please, I'm begging you. I think you know we are not in good condition. Please, just calm down, okay?
It's all about choice, yeah.
What is it?
Okay, let me calm down.
Calm down.
Where's Papa?
Calm down.
Where's Papa?
Your father is not around.
He's not around. Mama.
What is it?
Guess
Tell
what?
me.
Guess what? Guess what?
What?
I've gotten this scholarship. I've gotten the scholarship.
Let me see.
You need to see it. I'm so happy. This afternoon. Mama, I'm so happy.
This is true. Hey!
I don't know.
I said it.
I don't know how to start.
Calm down. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Yes.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Nayo, back in I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. Hey! So you are going to America?
Yes.
Hey! I said it. Eh?
Go on.
I'm happy for you.
Thank
Hey! I'm happy
you.
for you.
Felix, your mother is here to take you home.
And I'm not going with her.
Felix, you know you have nowhere to go.
I have a place to go. I have a place.
And where could that be?
The street.
What? Felix, you can't do that. What about all the dreams you've shared with me? What about all the things you told me you want to be in the future? What happened to them?
I don't want to be any of those things anymore. They came from the street and did this to me. It will only take me being on the street to do to the street what they did to me.
Felix, why are you doing this? They have all been arrested. They are all in juvenile detention right now. Please go back with your mother.
I'm so sorry, Mom, but I need to leave.
Felix, please. Felix.
I can't go back to them until I finally succeed as a man. But is this how I'll keep living as a man? Is this how I'm going to make it? I'm trying to understand my dream. My mother came to me last night and asked me to return home. She wasn't looking happy. I remember asking her about my stepfather, and she didn't say anything. That's an indication that something is wrong. But how can I even go home? I can't go back home. Wait, if I go back, what happens? Everyone would laugh at me. My friends, my mates. Who knows? Anna is probably a doctor now. And look at me. I'm just here in this village, working in a motor park. I have to quit this job. I have to stop working there. I have to go back to school.
Do you still remember me?
Yes, I do.
So, what are you doing here?
Please, it's none of your business.
Sorry, I asked.
Uju, please come. Please, I'm really sorry I spoke to you that way. But what do you expect from a frustrated man?
I saw it in you from the first day I met you. Felix, can you follow me to my house? I feel like you're hungry and you need to eat. Huh?
Reason my matter. Reason my matter.
It's all about choice, yeah.
Is this you?
Yes, this is me.
Hey,
I've missed you guys so much.
Hey, good afternoon.
That's my driver.
Oh,
I see. Yes.
I see.
I'm so sorry I've not come to visit you guys. You know, since I came back, I've been trying to get my hospital license. But as God may have it, I've gotten it.
Oh, hospital?
Thank God. Yes.
It is done.
Yes, it is done.
Hey! You're welcome, my dear.
I missed my father. Okay, let's go inside. Get the bags.
Yes.
Hey!